Good morning, class. Hope everyone's doing well. I'm here to show you some multiplication of polynomials with some harder problems. And here we go. So we are going to multiply polynomials. The first step, you'll notice this is a little different. We have this 5 out here. And so the first step is that we need to distribute that 5, okay? So we're going to do 5 times x, which gives us 5x. And then we're going to do 5 times -2, which gives me a -10. Now that that's distributed, we are going to bring down the other side. And now it's very similar to FOIL. The difference is this has 3 pieces. And so we need to make sure this 5x is multiplied by all 3 of these pieces. And we need to make sure that the -10 is also multiplied by all these 3 pieces. So after we do that, we're going to end up with 6 terms down here. Okay, and I'm actually going to line them up so that you can see the like terms as well. So let's do the 5x first. So we're going to do 5x, and we're going to multiply them by all 3 of these. So 5x times x squared gives me a 5x cubed. Okay, shh. Okay, baby, shh. Sorry, my daughter. Okay, shh. Okay, so 5x times x squared is 5x cubed. Okay, 5x times -3x gives me a -15x squared. So we did this one, and we did this one. And now we're going to do 5x times 8. So that gives me a positive 40x. And so you'll see we multiplied the 5x by all 3 terms. So now we need to multiply the -10 by those 3 terms. So we're going to give -10 times x squared. That gives me a -10x squared. And so I'm going to write it underneath the other x squared so that we can see the like terms. And then we're going to do -10 times a -3x. So negative times negative, we get a positive 30x. And then a -10 times 8, so we get a -80. And so now that we've done that, you can see that some of them have like terms and some of them don't. And so this one is still left by itself, so we get 5x cubed. We just carry that down. And then here we're going to combine like terms. We have a negative and another negative, so it's still going to turn negative. And we have a 25x squared. And then we have 40x plus 30x. So we get a positive 70x. And then the -80 has no other like terms, so we're just going to bring it down. And so this is my final answer, which is 5x cubed minus 25x squared plus 70x minus 80. And you'll notice we multiplied everything out. Okay, I will send another example. Thanks.